morning, everyone. So it's 5 in the morning. I woke up so early today. Like, the AC in my house was not working. It was 83 degrees in the morning. So like, I just stayed up and was like, I might as well work in my studio space and like make new things. I just figured I would decide to make the video for how I create my sticker sheets. I created a few sticker sheets that I'm gonna launch shortly if I haven't already. And so I wanted to show you guys kind of how I do that. So stay tuned. And I'm exhausted right now, but I can't go back to sleep, so we're doing this. All right, so first when you open your Cricut, you wanna go to your projects. You wanna click make it, but press new first to start a new project. I already had one open, so I'm just gonna replace it. All right, so here we have a blank canvas. You want to upload the image. So I had already uploaded the thank you sticker. Great. So it comes out really, really big. So what you're going to do is you're going to resize it up here. I usually make mine 1.5 inches and make sure that the little lock icon is locked. So I go ahead and get a shape, typically a square. And then you want to unlock the lock right here and resize it. This sticker sheet, I make it 6.5 by 8.5. And this is in inches. Perfect. So you'll notice, like, if you just push it to the top, it's not gonna like leave, it's not gonna go past 0, it's gonna stay locked in that corner. So I just move the basic cut square to the back and the sticker up front. And here I'm just trying to find kind of a good spacing between each sticker. So I'm kind of doing like one notch between each sticker. I typically align on my iPad since it kind of locks in place. If anyone who uses Cricut knows how to like have it lock in place, not lock in place, what's the word I'm looking for? Pretty much like align with each other, like I would appreciate that, because for some reason I just can't figure it out. Like there's an align button up top, but I don't know, it gets confusing. So if you guys have any tips on that, let me know, because yeah, my iPad just works better for me. So once I have 4 in a row, that should typically fit in the space. I just highlight all of it, select all, and drag it over and make it fit in that box. So I just hide the square, and then when that way that it just makes it easier to select all and then duplicate it. You can click the duplicate button on the top right, but I usually just press Control Copy, Control Paste, and then drag it down. And your alignment isn't always going to be perfect, at least not for mine, but I just try to get as many stickers to fit on a sheet as I possibly can. You can resize your sticker sheet to whatever size you like. I just make it this size because of the packaging I bought early on. This is the only size that fits pretty well, up to like 10 sheets into the packaging mailers that I have. And then I select all, and then I flatten it. So I'll show you guys. And flatten is at the bottom right-hand corner next to attach. So I'm gonna click that. And pretty much what that does is it just compiles all of it in one. It will still cut each sticker individually, like Cricut, as you can see, like from each image. And it'll also cut the square as well. Since what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna attach both of the flattened portion as well as the square. Alright, so I usually add this. I just say reorder at marbled mauve on Etsy. And that way, like if they're on their last sheet, they'll see this and they'll say, oh yeah, marbled mauve is where I got this from, and then want to reorder it there. Here I'm just trying to like align it. I try to fit as many of these little messages in as I possibly can, but it can be a little difficult since I like to fit as many stickers on a paper as possible. So in most cases I sometimes have the opportunity to add 3 of these lines, or have the opportunity to add 2, but in this case I had the opportunity to add just 1. I just like to get, the biggest bang for your buck. Like I try to fit as many stickers as possible on this one little sheet, just because, when you have businesses, you don't want to have to not have enough stickers. So I just want to make sure you guys have enough moving forward. Alright, so I select all and then I press attach. And what this does is pretty much everything is aligned together. So whenever I print this, the Cricut will realize, okay, this is an entire project in one sitting. I duplicated the attachment and then I deleted the text. And the reason for that is because I want them to be 2 separate projects. One for printing and one for cutting. And then I also add the print and cut square and add it to the bottom of the group just because it just works better. Since the other 2 attachments are print and cut, this will also cut in that same exact placement that the other rectangles are in. Don't forget to name your project. Perfect. So now there's 3 different projects. Okay, so first one is the print and cut square, which is the same exact size, 6.5 by 8.5. That is what I'm going to use for like a hard cut. This number 2, you can notice at the bottom it has the text reorder at marbled mauve on Etsy. So this is what I will actually print. And number 3 does not have the text. I don't want it to cut it out or anything. So I deleted it from the 3rd one. This is what I will physically use to cut my stickers. So I'll send it to printer, take off add bleed, and use system dialog. This is very important because you want your stickers to be high quality. So you click print and another dialog box will pop up. Here we go. So you're gonna go ahead and change the paper type. You want the quality to be best. Change the paper type to specialty paper matte if you're using matte paper. And you can see there was multiple options there, but I use matte paper. Perfect, and then you go ahead and print. Alright, so the finished product will come out like this. You'll notice it has the print and cut line, which is like a sensor line for the Cricut to detect where to cut. You'll see that the quality is actually much better than if you would print it on regular paper. And you see that you notice there's no outline on the actual stickers. It will cut an outline on its own, and then there will also be an outline around it, all around in like a rectangle space from that gray rectangle I had labeled as print and cut. All of this should align really, really well. It's pretty straightforward, but this is what it'll come out like, looking like when you print it yourself on your Cricut. And I also watermark, so the back looks like this for all of my sticker paper. Alright, so I went on to page number 3 and decided to go ahead and use that to cut on my Cricut. So I've already printed, and now I'm just kind of trying to connect it to the Cricut. So I think I just forgot to plug in the cord. So I select my Cricut machine, and the setting was stuck on poster board, so I just switched it over to custom, and pretty much that allows me to pick whichever ones I would like. And I prefer sticky note for my sticker sheets, and I always choose more for my sticker paper. Alright, since that's done, I went ahead and switched it to page 1, and now I'm resetting it to be cardstock 80 pounds, which I think is just a regular cardstock setting, not cardstock plus. It cuts just fine through the paper. So pretty much anything like cardstock or up to poster board is fine. Alright, so this is how sticker sheets came out. So I tried this is one of my trial and error ones when I first started. But just an example, it's pretty easy. It peels up super simple. It shouldn't cut through the background at all, like the sticker paper in the back. So you'll see here, like it didn't cut through at all. I have my watermarking on all of my sticker paper. Let me try that bottom one as well. So then you'll see like it's super easy to peel. Boom. And it's easy. All right, so for the big reveal, this is the UPS sticker sheet. They're about this big. They have about, let's see, 4, 5, 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. So each sheet comes with about 24 stickers. I like to sell them in packs of 5 so that you get a discount on the sticker sheets. I also created some FedEx ones, and they have 24 stickers per sheet as well. And then I also have Happy Mail stickers that I launched a little bit, what is it, I think a week ago? A week ago. So I already use them on my own packaging, but they're about this big. They're all circle stickers, as you can see here. I love, love, love them. I actually created this pattern myself. I was like teaching myself how to do patterns. And then I also have the sun sticker. So it says Happy Mail in the mouth, which I think is pretty cute. And then I also have these Happy Mail circle stickers with a little envelope, a little pink envelope. So that'd be super cute to add to your packaging. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that like I usually post whenever I'm going to the post office for my packages. I'll post with my stickers on them, just to show you guys how you can use them on your own packaging. Yeah. Oh, that's one thing. And if you didn't already know, I do have Thank You Postal Worker stickers. If I ever have mess ups and miscuts, I just use them myself, okay? So I have these, so I just use them and I add them to all of my post office sticker, or all of my post office mail, which pretty much most of my Etsy is like that. I do also do digital things like cartoon portraits and stuff. So if you're interested in that, let me know. And yeah, I really hope this video helps you guys. And I'm about to add a shameless plug. So if you like my shirt, Small Business Big Goals, I really love it because of like the rose gold. It's so pretty. I don't know, it just I don't know, it makes it pop. But I bought the sweatshirt. It comes in short sleeve shirts as well. You can get it from 𝒔𝒐𝒂𝒚.com. She has a lot for like pretty much for her merch. She has a lot of like entrepreneurial girl boss kind of shirts. There's also a llama shirt, which people love. There's also gnomes. There's things for everyone. But if you guys are interested, feel free to check out 𝒔𝒐𝒂𝒚.com. And yeah, I hope this video is super helpful. I plan to make one to make actual individual stickers with easy open tabs. But since I was already doing sticker sheets for people, I figured I might as well just, you know, teach you guys how to do sticker sheets. I do use Ava vinyl sticker paper. And I get this on Amazon. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. And I get this on Amazon. So if you want to try that out, feel free to try it out. It's, for me, I like it the most. I used to use online labels. I've used a few other ones that I'm kind of testing out. But yeah, if you're curious and you want to check it out, feel free to do that. I'll have the link in the description below. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. Feel free to follow me on TikTok. Feel free to follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to me on YouTube. I'm going through it, y'all. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Please let me know at the bottom in the comments what type of videos you would like to see, what questions you have. I have pretty much, I want to say like a 99 to 100% reply rate. I'm pretty fast at replying to you guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm hoping I get to a point where I can actually do a Q&A session video. So if you guys send me enough questions, I will do a Q&A session video for you guys. Hope you guys have a great day, great weekend, great morning, great night, because I have no clue when you're watching this video. And bye-bye.